Which country do you think will win the African Cup of Nations? Don't worry, I did that just to grab your attention. Now it's lesson time. Assalamu alaikum. Let's start it with our quick recap. If you can remember, we've learned 8 letters now. Okay? Good. Now I'm going to test you. Which letter is this? Remember, the lesson is just 5 minutes, so we don't have to waste much time in introduction. That's ba, mashallah. I think the ba, just have to write it like a bit on the left side, around here. Yeah, so that we can have enough space for other letters. What about this one? Which letter is this, please? With your tongue outside, remember? Tha, mashallah. This one here? Ta, Allahumma barik. This one? That's like drinking water. What's your favorite juice? I think most of the people will be like apple. So it's like drinking apple juice. Alif. Good. This one here? Dal. Allahumma barik. I'm proud of you. This one? Take your time. That's not ha. It is not even kha. Jim. Remember, Jim has one dot in the middle. What about this one? I told you not to say ka. Remember, in the morning when you are brushing your mouth, when it's time to clean the throat, you make that sound, right? So it's same thing here. Kha. Good. I'm proud of you. And the last letter. Ha. MashaAllah. So can we all see the difference between these 3 letters? Jim has 1 dot in the middle. For ha, it's empty, no dot. And kha has 1 dot on top. Okay? So don't mix them. Now let's start today's lesson. Gambia is playing against Guinea today. Make dua for us to win this, match if you want the lesson to continue. Else, I'm not going to teach you because Gambia is my country. Don't worry. That was a joke. Anyways, let's continue from Dal, which is also another tongue letter. So in case you are joining today, we've done these letters. We are done with them. That's why I wrote them in red color. Okay, so the new lessons are always in black. Okay, so that's Dal, which is also one of the tongue letters. And then Ra, I would say a part-time full mouth letter, Ra. Okay, and then this one, Zai, the Z sound without your tongue. And the last letter we're going to learn today is the smile, Sin. MashaAllah. Now the tongue letters, I will put them in, let's say, light blue color. What's wrong with me? I think I'm thinking of the football too much. How can this be a tongue letter? What's wrong with me? A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Anyways, that's one of the tongue letters, Tha. And the other one we're going to learn today is Zal. Okay, let's start learning that. Say it after me, please. Zal. With your tongue outside. Remember? Zal. Good. Can you say that loud, please? Zal. MashaAllah. Let's move on to the next one. Ra. Make it heavy, okay? In a full mouth. Ra, 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 not ra. Ra. Good. The Z sound, Zai. Again, Z, Z, Zai. And then Sin, Seen. Can you repeat that again? Seen. Good. Before we repeat it again, make sure that you write in everything. If you don't have your notebook beside you, please go and get it right now, and your pen, okay? Because it's very important to write it. I want you to be able to write everything and also to identify the letters and to be able to read them. So these three things are important: reading, writing, and identification, okay? Because if you don't write them, you can easily forget, and I don't want that. Remember? Now let's repeat it again. Dal. Good. Ra. MashaAllah. Zai. And the last one, Seen. Now I'm gonna test you. Before that, which country do you think will win the African Cup of Nations? Oh, again, shaitan. Anyways, if I circle any letter, you will name the letter for me. That's the test, to make sure that you can identify all the letters we've learned. And in the comment section, let me know how many letters you've got wrong. Don't cheat. Which letter is that? Without your tongue, remember. Zai. That's perfect. What about this one here? Stop saying Ra. I've told you to make it in full mouth. Ra. Good. This one here. Why are you smiling before even pronouncing it? Don't worry. I got you. That's fine. Seen. Allahumma barik. And the last one. Don't say Zal. Remember, I've told you something about this letter. Zal. Allahumma barik. So, we're going to end the lesson here today, inshallah. I'm just worried. I don't know which country is going to win today. I mean, between Gambia and Guinea-Bissau. But hopefully, we're going to win the game. Anyways, make sure you practice. And don't waste your time in watching that football match like me. Assalamu alaikum.